yesterday we were able to turn our $10 to $100, right? So what we need to do to turn our $100 to $1,000 is to get an app called MEXC, right? I'll share my phone in the video description so that you'll be able to get it. Once you open the app, right? Once you open the app, now you are supposed to click on the trade section. If you click on the trade section on the middle bar of the app, now you come to a place they wrote on features, right? So just click on the features. Have you seen a place button called features? So just click on the features. Okay, now if I click on the features, you see that we have available balance on Binance and Bybit. We call it the margin balance, right? So we have our margin balance being 0 USDT. So I'm just going to transfer some money into my MEXC account so that we can turn the $100 to $1,000. So I'll click on the transfer section. Okay, then they'll ask me to transfer money from my spot wallet into my MEXC account, features account. So I'll just enter the amount 00. Okay, so now we have just transferred $100 into our MEXC account. Now we are going to take the trade. So if you observe, you can see I've just deposited $100 inside. So now I'm going to show you how to trade so that you'll be able to grow this small account to $1,000 and withdraw it. I'm going to be doing it with you. So first of all, now that we have transferred the $100, so if you check, you can now see that our available balance is now $100. So observe something. Our available balance is now $100. We have open, long, and also close short. We are going to be using the close short. So just click on the close short. Now you might be asking me, how do you get these particular coins and trade? The reason why we are using MEXC is because you guys have asked me to do a video on MEXC, because some people are in UK and Australia and they can only use this particular app. So if you are not able to use Binance, this is the video for you. So basically what we need to do is we'll now click on the home page, right? So just click on the home page here. Okay, when you click on the home page, you can scroll down. Okay, just scroll down to where we have favorites. If you check below, we have favorites. We also have hot, gainers, losers, and new tokens. Okay, so what I want you to do now is to focus on the gainers. So click on the gainers. If you click on the gainers right now, you are going to see that tokens that have been on the top 3 or top 4 tokens are just trending. These are the tokens that we are going to use to grow our account. So to use these tokens to grow our account is very easy. What I will just do is I'll make sure that the token is available on the features dashboard of MEXC. The reason why we are not using Binance and Bybit is because the tokens on Binance and Bybit, they are limited. So what I'll do is I'll just select the first token. Observe, I've gone to the gainers and I found the first token, and I said we are going to be selling the tokens that are on the top 3, top 4. Okay, because our account is very small, we are going to be using leverage plus margin balance. We are going to be consecutive. Okay, so I'll just click on the first token that we have on the gainers. So click on the first token. If you click on the first token, you can see MEXC. This particular token called MEXC, we are going to sell it right now. Observe, I've just clicked on open short on MEXC token here. Now we need to add our take profit and stop loss, right? So to add our take profit and stop loss, I'll just click on the dashboard here. Then I'll just click on understand. Now we have added our take profit and stop loss. So let me just add it from here. I'll make it 1. Okay, let's go. 001. $400. Now our stop loss will be around $20. So we are going to be risking $20 on this particular coin. 8. Okay, 9. So 84. We'll just edit it until we get 89. Okay, so 89. Okay, so this is okay. So we can give it time. Now you have just seen that I've added an open short position on MEXC. So we are going to use this particular strategy to grow this $100 to $1,000. Now, if I want to do it again, it's very simple. I'll just go to the home page. So this shows your P&L. Observe, this is your unrealized P&L, the profit that you are making on the trade. You can see I've used 50x leverage and we are trading MEMC. I opened a short position on it. This is the unrealized P&L, my take profit. So in case this trade goes well, we are going to make a total profit of $420. If it doesn't go well, we are going to lose $12. So if we want to add another position, I'll just click on the home page here. Okay, so now when I click on the home page, I'll go to the gainers again. Okay, so let's go to the gainers. On the gainers, we can see we have another token at the first position, so we can click to open that coin and see what is happening. So I'll just click on it. So this is another token that is on the gainers. So assuming, let's say we want to trade it, what I'll do is I'll come to the features section again. So just click on the features section. Okay, so now when you click on the features section, it's very simple. We are going to click on the MEMC again and change it to YZF, the token that we are going to trade. So I'll now enter the name of the token. So let me just enter the name of the token so that I'll be able to trade it. So let's enter it inside. So we have YZ. Okay, so this is the token. So I will select it here. Now once I select it, it's very easy for us to trade. So assuming we want to trade this token, I'll just open short on it with an entry price of $2 with 50x leverage. Now I'll click on the open short. Okay, so just click on open short. Okay, so now if I click on open short, you can see this our MEMC trade might not go well for us, so it have closed. So we have lost like $12 on this trade. So that's the risk of taking trades on the gainers. Usually some of them don't go well. So we can do this just by dragging the triangular button again until we get it. So we open short. So YZ, we have added the short position already. Now we'll click on TP/SL. Then I can add my take profit and stop loss. So to add my take profit and stop loss, now I want my stop loss to be around 0.5. Okay, so let's do it again. Our stop loss can be 1. Okay, so now our stop loss 0.005. If it goes to $30, we are going to lose. So let's add the MEMC again. I have strong conviction that this coin is going to go to 0. So what I will do is I'll just add it by dragging the triangular button again. Now this time around we'll go for open short. So we have to reduce our margin because of the amount of leverage we are using. It might affect our position. So let's go for a long open short. Always go for open short. Okay, so I've added it. I just added the open short. Now you can see our first trade is already in profit. Observe something, the YZ token is in profit and we have added another trade. So I'll click on TP here. Then this is where my take profit is. So I'll just add my take profit inside. So now my take profit can be around 0.001. 0.001, we are making $254. Now let's add our stop loss. So we have to put our stop loss far away from our entry so that in case the trade still misbehave, we might not get kicked out like the way the other token just did to us few minutes back. So I'll add my stop loss, and now this time around I'll make sure my stop loss is far away. So my stop loss can be let's do it 9.1. So 9.1, if this trade doesn't go well, we are losing $32. If it goes well, we are making $254. So this is how you should be taking the trades. Now I confirm the first trade YZW, we have made a profit of $4. Once we get $100 or $200, I'm going to close it. This is the second one called MEMC. This token is still have a lot of potential, but because we are using small capital, we want to get in and get out fast. So I've just entered the trades. Now we can give it 1 to 3 hours time, then we'll come and check and see how the trades will be. So I'm just going to turn this $100 to $1,000 with the strategy. So if you want to learn how to do it, make sure you join our Telegram group. And if you have any issues, you can text me on WhatsApp. Tomorrow I'm going to be showing you how to trade on OKX, especially those in Australia and Canada right now. Even if you are in Dubai and you are around business day, you want to learn how to trade, the physical class is around. So for those around the world, I'm currently taking you guys through online classes. So if you want to make like $100 to $200 per day from your smartphone, I think this is the strategy that you can use. So you can see I'm already in the trades. Okay, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and also check my YouTube videos, see more strategies on how to trade. And if you have any issues, you can send me a message on TikTok or my WhatsApp so that I can take you through. See you in the next tutorial and take care.